Everything all right, man? Oh, your truck broke down. Oh, I understand. So then people won't be able to get out. Oh, I got you. Hey, everything breaks down eventually, dude. Everything breaks down eventually. They should just bring you another truck and then you can continue on going.
You gotta take me to the yard.
I got you. Yeah, they got to move that car. What a pain in the butt. At least it's a nice day to break down now, no?
No, it's not a nice day. I got a long way to go.
No, it's a nice day out. It's beautiful out.
I got to go through the back gate, everything back there. Then I got to go down 441. Then I got to come back and do the whole Lions Road.
Like I said, they should just bring you guys another dumpster. Leave this one here.
This is the third time today.
Are these old?
Every truck we got.
Yeah, well, it's time for them to spend some money. Hey.
Good luck. Call my boss and tell him that.
Hey, this happens more often. It's going to start costing money. They will get some new vehicles for you.
It's costing the money.
Get the new gas ones that I see the other guys have. Not the natural gas. Yeah.
Watch out.
Oh, hey, how are you? All right, see you. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Truck broke down. New Hope. All right. Another exciting day. Palm Beach Plantation. Yo.